Ever mined some Beam and now you're wondering how to actually spend it? Or maybe you received some and want to move it to another wallet. Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to break down how to send crypto from your Beam wallet, step by step. Let's dive in. Imagine this, you've just scored a rare NFT, and the only way to pay is with Beam. But wait, you have no idea how to actually send it. Panic sets in. Fear not, fellow Beamers. Sending crypto might seem intimidating at first, but with Beam Wallet, it's surprisingly easy. So grab your wallet and let's get started. Beam is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency known for its innovative Mimblewumble technology. This technology ensures your transactions remain confidential, giving you greater control over your financial privacy. Now, let's get to the sending part. Step 1. Open Beam Wallet. First things first, open your Beam Wallet application. You should see your wallet overview screen. Look for the Send button. It's usually prominently displayed, often with a stylized arrow icon. Step 2. Enter recipient's address. Click on Send. Now, you'll need to enter the recipient's Beam address. This is a unique string of characters that identifies their wallet. Double-check the address for accuracy. A single misplaced character can send your funds to the wrong wallet. You can paste the address directly from your clipboard or manually type it in. Step 3. Enter amount. Next, enter the amount of Beam you wish to send. You can use the numeric keypad within the app or manually type in the amount. Beam Wallet will display the current exchange rate, allowing you to see the value of your transaction in your local currency. Step 4. Add a memo, optional. Below the amount field, you will usually find an option to add a memo. This is an optional field, but it's highly recommended. A memo can be a short message or a reference number to help you and the recipient track the transaction. For example, you could write NFT purchase or loan repayment. Step 5. Review and confirm. Before you hit send, take a moment to review all the details. Double-check the recipient's address, the amount, and any memo you've included. Once you're confident everything is correct, click on Send. Step 6. Confirm transaction. You'll be presented with a confirmation screen. This screen will display a summary of your transaction, including the recipient's address, the amount, and the transaction fee. Review the details one last time and then click Confirm to finalize the transaction. Step 7. Wait for confirmation. Once you've confirmed, the transaction will be broadcast to the Beam network. It will take a few moments for the transaction to be processed and confirmed by the network. You can monitor the status of your transaction within the Beam Wallet app. What if something goes wrong? Don't panic. Here are a few common issues and how to address them. Incorrect address. If you entered the wrong address, your funds may be lost. Solution: double-check the address carefully before sending. Insufficient funds: ensure you have enough Beam in your wallet to cover the amount you're sending and the transaction fee. Slow confirmation: network congestion can sometimes cause delays in transaction confirmation. Solution: be patient and allow some extra time for the transaction to process. Here are some important security tips for sending crypto from your Beam wallet. Strong password: use a strong, unique password for your Beam wallet. Two-factor authentication: 2FA. Enable 2FA for an extra layer of security. Beware of phishing: be wary of suspicious emails, links, and messages that may attempt to steal your wallet credentials. Keep your software updated. Always update your Beam Wallet app to the latest version to benefit from the latest security patches and bug fixes. And there you have it. Sending crypto from your Beam wallet is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can confidently send Beam to friends, family, businesses, or any other recipient. With said, thanks for watching and until next time.